During the Angelus on Sunday, Pope Francis expressed his sorrow for the earthquake in Ecuador that caused heavy damage and left more than a dozen dead.
Ieri in Ecuador un terremoto ha causato morti, feriti e ingenti danni. Sono vicino al popolo ecuadoriano e assicuro la mia preghiera per i defunti e per tutti i sofferenti.
He encouraged the people present in the square to reflect on the gospel of the day, where a miracle of Jesus sparked controversy because it was performed on the Sabbath.
Siamo felici di dire che Gesù ci ama, che ci salva, oppure o come i genitori del geco nato ci lasciamo ingabbiare dal timore di quello che penserà la gente.
In his closing, Pope Francis greeted the participants and organizers of the Rome Marathon, which also took place that day.
How did they make it from the Holy Land all the way to Rome? What do we know about their authenticity? To what extent have they transformed the eternal city? The latest excavations at St. Paul outside the walls have brought to light relevant data. We enter restricted places like the tomb of St. Peter in the Vatican, the Basilica of the Holy Cross in Jerusalem, and other churches in Rome unknown to the wider public. A study of the relics that have changed history. The footprints of Jesus in Rome.